Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Loving my minis in February, and we have our $8 pink dye, some decor. So let's just hop in and get started. I went through and pulled out some money, and I got these super cute little sticky notes from Save with Judy. So I was like, perfect, day 5, let's do this. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8 that will go straight into my bank. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. I have just been cutting and laminating and cutting. I feel like cutting and cutting, but I'm getting there. I'm getting caught up. All right, so we have our little paper clip, our XOXO, starting us at number 3. And I'm going to mix up our little prop coins, mostly 25 and 50, and then a few 50 cents pieces. So let's just hop right in. 1 for 3, pour 3. 1 for 4. I love these dashboards. They come from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. You can get them on her Ko-fi for a small fee. They are so adorable. I love them so much. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Oh, that's the cue. 1, 2, and 3 for number 1. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. Come on, 3 for 3. So sad. Oh, wait. Shoot. So that was number 2. 3 got 1. Oh my goodness. Pay attention, Eva. 1 for 4. 1 for 5. Oh my goodness. 1 for 6. We're definitely going around twice. Okay. 1 for 7. 2 for 8. 1 for 1. Let's get 2 for 2. Nope. 1 for 2. And I have 3, so it'd be perfect to get 3 for 3. Nope. Denied. Okay. I tried 3. Oh, it went down the other side. It's a 2-sided dice tower, so that it has a splitter in the middle. And if it just went down the wrong staircase. Oh, now we get 3. All right, so number 4. Oh no, I bent my paper. All right, so we will start on number 5. And let's get situated. All right, so number 1. Number 1 got $1. Let's see what we had in here. Oh, we only needed 25 cents. This is from Amy by Nature. In a patch full of pumpkins, I'd pick you. So sweet. It's like fall and Valentine's Day all in one. Okay, so we used our 125 cents. And we have 75 more to go, and then this one is done. So let's get a new one. And we have SW Fanatic Saves. Nothing like a little Star Wars theme in February. So let's see, we have 3. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Okay. And that one will save, I think, $5. So that might take a little bit. So we have, okay, 25, 25, and 50 for $1, and then 25 cents. So $1.25. All savings with Tracy. So cute. All right, so we get to fill in quite a bit of circles. 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So we get to go to here. Look at how cute that is. All right, 50 more cents, and that will save us $4. So we got to use all of that. All right, number 3, still got 75 cents, even though I felt like it was not getting a lot of money. All right, we started this one last week. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. It's Dobby. Okay, so we get to do 1, 2, and 3. So we are a third of the way there. Look at me introducing fractions. Okay, we have 50, 25, and 25. So we have $1.25 going into 4. Oh, Lindsay and Dumbledore. All right, so we get $1.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. This will save us $5 when we are all done. I can't believe we finished another one. We're having a great streak. All right, 50 cents is going into number 5. Oops, you stay. Okay. Nothing like a sneeze right in the middle of talking. All right, so we have 50 cents. So 1, 2. Oh, okay, this one's from Becca Budget 777. So cute. Love it. All right, number 6. Got $1. And this one is from Norella's Budgets. Baby girl, you got this. And whenever I hear baby girl, I think of Criminal Minds. If you know, you know. He can baby girl me anytime he wants. That didn't sound exactly how I meant it. I'll leave that in there because some people might find that funny. But I just meant like, I'm just going to stop talking. All right, so we did $1, I think. I think. I'll pay attention. Editing Eva will pay attention. All right. We're just moving on. Moving on. That one's from Norella's Budgets. Number 7 got $1.25. Look at that. I got 2.50 cents. And this one is from Hey K Budgets. There was a zombie avocado in her little 3-pack of minis. Oh my god, it was my favorite. This avocado zombie. So we have $1.25. So 25, and then I can do this whole row. All right, this awesome one is from Hey K Budgets. All right, and number 8. All right, got $1. So we have 25 cents. This one is from Cash Countess Court. Let's get it to go, Chris. People are staring. All right, so $1. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. And there we go. So we did finish one. So we got $3 saved today. So let's go to our little prop coins. Put that there. We need to get $3 from our bank. 1, 2, and 3. And we go to the back. And we put in the completed, our $3. And then we have one more to add. I think that's 5 days in a row of adding something to our completed. That's fantastic. So thank you guys for joining me on this quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I love hearing that you guys are saving along with me. Go, Beth, go. You're doing awesome. And I love watching Kimmy do this. And we have, I bought her dashboard, so we have the same dashboard. So that's kind of fun to see how we're both doing like the same thing, but slightly different. She is so fun to watch. So, all right, well, that is all I have for today. So hopefully you come back tomorrow and join me in day 6. And until then, take care. Bye.